The story of the prodigal son, told by Jesus Christ in the Gospel of Luke, reveals a deep truth about human nature and divine mercy. A younger son approaches his father with an unusual request: to receive his share of the inheritance before his father's death. In that culture, this was not just bold, it was dishonorable. Yet the father grants his request. The son leaves home and journeys into a distant land where he spends everything he has in reckless living. His wealth disappears, his freedom fades, and a severe famine strikes the land. With nothing left, he finds himself feeding pigs, hungry enough to desire the food meant for them. This moment exposes the full weight of his choices. In that broken condition, he comes to a realization. He remembers his father's house, where even servants have enough to eat. He decides to return, not as a son expecting honor, but as a servant hoping for survival. His words are prepared with humility. He has sinned and is no longer worthy to be called a son. But before he can even finish his speech, everything changes. While he is still far off, his father sees him. This means the father had been watching, waiting. Instead of rejection, the father runs toward him, an act that defies cultural dignity, and embraces him. There is no delay, no punishment, no condition placed before restoration. The father calls for the best robe, a ring, and sandals. These are not just gifts. They are signs of identity, authority, and belonging. A feast is prepared not because the son earned it, but because he returned. The father's words are clear. His son was lost and is now found. At the same time, the older son, who remained obedient, struggles to accept this response. He sees injustice where the father sees restoration. But the father explains that everything he has already belongs to the older son, and that joy is necessary because something truly valuable has been restored. This account presents a reality that is both simple and profound. It shows that failure does not erase identity, that repentance opens the door to restoration, and that true love does not operate on human calculations of fairness. The Father does not minimize the wrongdoing, but he chooses mercy over judgment. The Son's return is not met with suspicion but with celebration. The meaning of prodigal is fully revealed here. Not just wasteful living, but the journey from loss to restoration. It is a true reflection of how far a person can fall and how fully they can be received again.